Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove a Facebook ad or ad campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. So let's go to the Facebook first. Then you have to write here adsmanager.facebook.com. You have to just write here adsmanager.facebook.com. Then hit enter. Then if you have any page, you don't need to create any page. But if you have a page, then you'll find here all of the advertise here. Okay, if you want to delete the ad, you have to just simply click on this tick sign here and you'll find here more option. Click on more and then click on delete. Click on delete and your ads will be deleted like this. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.